Hey, welcome back to Weeby Kids again. It's been really frosty and snowy and cold all week here in the north of England, and we've been doing our best to get outside and be creative with the snow and the ice. In today's resource, I'm going to show you how to make some beautiful hanging ice decorations to put out in your garden. So you're going to need some containers that you're going to make your ice decorations inside. If you've got some shapes, that's great. We've got a gingerbread man. We've also got a tree, but you can also use very, very simple pie trays, just like this. You're also going to need some water, and we're going to need some nature finds. These are things that we've collected throughout last year. We've got some larch cones, we've got some shells, some acorns, but we've also got some of these pretty pink flowers from our Christmas cactus that is indoors. So we're going to begin by taking our mould. For this, we're just using a pie tin. We're also going to take our string, and I've just tied a knot in the end of the string there. I'm just going to lay the string in the middle and just weight it down with something. So I'm just going to put a pebble on that, just there. I'm then going to take some water. Just going to fill it as much as we like, really. Of course, the deeper it is, the harder it will be for it to freeze. You can just pop your little finds in and around. You can try something like this. Now what we did here is we got a dogwood ring and we tied it onto the string, and then we've just weighted it down with a shell and a rock, put some petals and another mussel shell in the middle there. So once we've made them like this, we're just going to leave them out overnight, and we'll check them in the morning and hope that they have frozen solid. So we've excitedly hurried down to the garden this morning. It's been a really, really frosty night, and we're going to see if our ice decorations are frozen and are ready to hang. So each of our moulds have got a slightly different look to them. You can see here with the ones that we just dropped in, you get this effect, and then this is the one that we were more careful about as we placed them in. So one thing that's great about using pie tins is it's really easy to get them out. All we have to do is just lift it up, pop it underneath, and you can see it comes out really, really easily. And then we just hold it like so. There's one. Let's have a look how this next one comes out. Just pop it out. Two. Three. It's beautiful on both sides as well. There's our lovely little tree. And then this one may be a bit more difficult to get out. Oh, yeah, sadly it's just broken his arm, but there we go, we kind of get the idea. Sorry, gingerbread man. Right, so then we're gonna hang them up. So there we have our beautiful hanging ice decorations for the garden. Pop them up and then keep your eye on them all day. Maybe see how long it takes for them to melt, everybody have a guess, and just watch what you're left with at the end. So thanks for stopping by at Weeby Kids. We hope you enjoyed this resource, and we'll see you again sometime soon. Bye!